This is Steve with Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today I'm going to show you how to service the air filter on your Yamaha YZ450F. Servicing your air filter is important and something you need to do on a regular basis. So today I'm going to show you how to do that on this 2018 Yamaha YZ450F. Now Yamaha recommends servicing your air filter after every race or 2.5 hours. So the procedures that I'm going to show you today will work on 2010 through 2019 YZ450Fs, but you need to make sure to check with your OEM service manual for the correct procedures. To do this job you need some rags, safety glasses, and rubber gloves. You may need some basic hand tools depending on what year your machine is that you're servicing. You'll also need a copy of your OEM service manual for more information, proper procedures, and specs. Now we have a huge selection of air filter servicing products here at RockyMountainATVMC.com, so come check them out, see what works best for you. First, let's remove the fuel cap cover and get the vent hose out of the way. Now let's remove the air box cover. Now let's remove the air filter. Just be careful not to drop any dirt down into the intake. We'll simply just slide these clips to the side and pull it out. Now that we've got the air filter removed, let's use some contact cleaner and a rag, and we'll clean where the air filter seats and in the air box. So to clean the filter, we're going to use this twin air kit because it comes with everything we need to service our air filter. So let's go ahead and remove the cage, and we will use the solvent bucket to clean off all the dirt and the oil. Now let's rinse the filter out in a bucket of warm water and let it sit out in the sun and dry. Now that we've got the filter dry, we need to go over the filter and inspect everything. Make sure there's no holes or damaged areas where dirt could potentially get through. This one looks in good shape, so let's go ahead and oil it. We just need to submerge it, and you want to squish out the oil. You don't want to wring it, you just want to squish it out so that it gets enough oil all over the filter. You want to make sure the oil is spread evenly throughout the whole filter. Now before we install the filter, some guys like to take a little grease and put it around the seal just to make sure that no extra dirt will get through. If it's oiled properly, you shouldn't have a problem. So do whatever you prefer to do. Now we'll just simply take the cage and install it over the filter and then install it. Now you need to make sure that these little tangs right here fit right inside the box there. Now let's install the airbox cover and the vent hose and the fuel cap cover. And that's it. That's all there is to servicing the air filter on your Yamaha YZ450F. Come check us out at RockyMountainATVMC.com for more parts, apparel, and accessory. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Steve. We'll catch you next time.